Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Cosmos. If you watched my previous analysis on Cosmos, Cosmos was playing around this trend line right here, and I said there's a possibility that we might push up to break this trend line and retest, and that was because we had like a first touch, a second touch, and there was a third touch around the area. There was a weak rejection around the trend line, so I said there's a possibility we might push to the upside. And as you can see, this was my target if we were pushing to the upside. And I drew the scenario I was expecting for us to continue, but like we all know, the market does what we want to do, and the market doesn't go our way 100%. We don't predict the market, we react to the market, but we can see it broke out of that trend line. So because our analysis is invalid, I am going to delete my my analysis and reanalyzed based on the current analysis. So what am I expecting right at this level right here? You can see we are still on the downtrend right here. So what am I saying? Let's see, let me draw. I can draw a trend line from here to here as well, from here to here. Okay, so what are we seeing based on this current price action? Extend a little bit more. You see, overall, this is my next target on Cosmos, which is Cosmos around 5.031. This is my target that I think we might still get to, but it's one step at a time. Let's just see. So now that we are here, let me draw my fib from here to here to just see what I'm looking at though. Let me see the fib from here to here first. Let me zoom in a little bit just to have more data to work with. If I draw my fib from here to here, let me see what that gives. Okay, I think that is more better. So just do my fib from here to here. So my next target as of right now will be my negative 27% level, which is around this area, and my second target is my negative 61.8, which is around this area. So we just have to wait and see how that plays out. So that is my target as of right now. Yeah. So if I draw a mini trend line from here to here, okay, let's just leave it like that though. So I can draw a trend line right here. We can see, just to give us now let me draw a zone here, because I've been seeing a lot of rejections around that area. Let me change it so we can see. Yeah, so let me go to a smaller time frame. So we can see there was a break of structure around that area, and we retested from that structure, right? So what am I expecting right now? We'll be seeing break of structure and a possible retest around this zone. There was a break of zone right here, and we came up to retest that zone, and we continue to push to the upside. So based on what I am seeing right now, what am I expecting? Let me draw just one trend line here. Let me change the color to brown. So yep, let me just draw this one too. Okay, perfect. So let me zoom in and let me see what next we are seeing. You'll be seeing there being a break of structure around this zone right here. So there was a break of structure here, came back to retest, break of structure here, then there was a break of structure here as well. So if I go to a smaller time frame, let me go to, we can see right here, like I said, break of structure around that area, but we can see right here there is an imbalance here that still needs to be filled. I can draw here and here. So I see an imbalance that needs to be filled around that area, this imbalance here. So that's my next But you still see how it's still going, right? It's still breaking structure. So those are my possibility. My possibility is, because this is my next target around this area, so I see it maybe coming down here, structural. This is what the pattern it has been given, so there's a possibility it will continue to give that pattern. Right, come here, come down, come here, come down. Right, something like this to give us like a descending pattern before we push maybe to like the upside here, which is like the 90% level. So it might continue to give us something like a descending pattern to my negative 27% fib level, and before we push up a little bit to this imbalance for it to fill. Those are my thoughts and analysis that I think might happen on Cosmos. So because I'm still on a downtrend, so let's just continue to expect a down move until otherwise has been done. So that is just a quick analysis on Cosmos. Hope this is helpful, guys. Please don't forget to share and comment, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.